Good morning, Mom and Sir. Have a pleasant day. By the way, my name is Cherina Maytan Tolentino, 32 years of age, currently living here in the Philippines. A mother of 3 wonderful kids. My working experience as a nanny in Abu Dhabi, UAE is serving 7 members of the family. My main duties and responsibilities is taking good care of the 5 years old and the 2 years old. I am the one who is securing their safety all day long, especially when their parents is at work. I am the one who is feeding them, giving them bath, put them in bed while reading bedtime stories. And I'm playing with them in my vacant time. And also, I am the one who is cleaning their rooms, vacuuming, mopping, changing their bed sheets, and washing their bathrooms. And also, I am the one who is doing the laundry, washing clothes, folding clothes, ironing the clothes. Mom and Sir, I will assure you that if you will hire me, I will love your kids as my own. I'm obedient, hardworking, flexible, and I'm willing to learn more. Mom and Sir, please hire me and I will assure you that you will not regret it. I am a hardworking nanny. God bless you. Hope to work you soon and to serve you soon. God bless.